Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, motherboard, CU plate, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Important: the edges of the display bezel are held in place with adhesive. Take care when removing them from the display enclosure. It may be necessary to use a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool to aid in the removal. Lift the display bezel off of the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display bezel.